Hi, it's Martin, and welcome to another DIY design room makeover. So my design dilemma for today is to decorate this master bedroom. As you can see, it has all the furniture, but the room is still missing all the decorative accessories to make it feel warm, welcoming, and inviting. So that's all about to change in one day. Let's make it happen. The bedroom has a lot of wood in the furniture, on the floors, so I needed to add a softer element in the space to make it feel more luxurious. I'm doing that with this beautiful 8x10 area rug. The bedding looks good, but it's going to look even better with all the decorative pillows. The pillows are very neutral, but because we have different textures, it adds a lot of visual interest on the bed. I love this lamp. It's almost like a 2-in-1 because you can light the base, you can light the top, you can light the base and the top, or you can turn it off. So just by lighting the base, you have beautiful accent lighting at night. Love it! By hanging the homeowner's existing mirror and placing an upholstered bench right underneath it, it really completes this corner that was otherwise empty. Super cute. This side of the room is coming along nicely, but now I want to concentrate on this large empty area right in front of the window. So when you have a master suite, typically you have a seating area, right? So you can sit down, have your morning coffee, read the newspaper, read a book. So that's exactly what I plan to do. Finishing touch are some chocolates right next to the bed on the nightstand for a true 5-star hotel experience. Alright, and now we have a true master suite. The room looks completely different. We began the makeover by placing down an area rug to add some softness in the space because we had a lot of hard surfaces with wood floors and also furniture. The second step was to dress up the bed with luxurious pillows in different shapes, different textures, and I also layered the bedding with a quilt and a duvet at the foot of the bed. Lighting is also crucial, and I love these lamps because they're so multi-purpose. You have accent lighting, functional lighting, and it just looks beautiful on its own. We hung up the mirror that was on the floor, and that enabled us to place a beautiful upholstered bench right underneath. And we can't forget about the empty space right in front of the windows. It was the perfect opportunity to create a cozy seating area with 2 chairs, an accent table, and a really cool industrial lamp. The chairs were an amazing find. I love the combination of the upholstery with the cane backing, of vintage and modern, all in one. And there you have it, another room makeover that took place in one day. DIY design. I know you can do it as well. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to keep following me here on social media and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till next time.